I recently posted a tutorial talking about how you can create your own PayPal account here in Ghana. If you're also from a country that doesn't allow you to create a PayPal account, I'll do well to drop the video link in the description so that you'll be able to do this. Now, I had a lot of requests from people asking me how they can transfer their PayPal funds from their PayPal account to their mobile money account. Before we get into the tutorial, my name is KP, and if this is the first time you're seeing me on the screen, kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so that anytime I post a new content, you'll be the first to know about it. The name of the platform we're going to be using is called Butterfund, and on Butterfund, you're allowed to transfer your digital currency to the Butterfund platform, and then you can transfer now to your mobile money. Now let's get right into the video. To create an account with them, go to Google and type Butterfund, then click on Get Started Now. Now click on Create an Account to be able to create a new account with them. You put in a few details like your first name, your surname, the country number. You make sure that you put in a valid number for that particular country you are in, and then you put in an email address that is also valid for that country. Now for the purpose of this video, I created a random email for this. So after putting in your email, you also put in a password, and then you click on Register. Now, an activation email will be sent to the email you used in registering for the platform. So all you have to do is to log back into that email and then click on Activate Account. Now, rush back to the Butterfund's platform and click on Sign In. You log in with your details, and with this section, you're supposed to authenticate the platform. So you go and use the Google Authenticator. You go on Play Store or App Store and then download it, and then you scan the QR code that is over there. You can also use the code that is being put below over there and put it directly into the platform, and you still get a code. So you input the code that has been generated for you, you submit it, and then you have access to the platform. Now you are supposed to verify your account, which we call the KYC. Now what it means is that know your customer or know your client. The platform wants to know that it's a genuine person that is coming on. So you go and you click on Get Started. Click on the button to complete your KYC. Now you're going to be filling a few details like your nationality, your date of birth. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to put a random date of birth over there, and then you choose your gender. You also choose the country, and then you choose the region that you are from. Now you also put a town or city over there. You put in your street address. You then put in the digital postal code that you have. You click on Continue. Choose any of the identification details you have available. For the purpose of this video, I'll choose the national ID, which is the Ghana card. I'll just choose a random picture for this. And then for the second one, you're supposed to hold the Ghana card whilst taking a picture with it. And then you verify. Now, an email will be sent to you when this process is being approved. Once your account is approved, this is what your dashboard looks like. Now click on the buy and sell panel to be able to transfer your funds. Click on the sell section. Make sure you have chosen PayPal and then put in the amount of money that you want to withdraw. Now they're going to be telling you the conversion rate and everything. And then you choose mobile money, you choose MTN, you put in the number that you want to withdraw the money to, and then you put in the account name. They click on continue to sell. Now you are supposed to copy this email over here because that's what you're going to be using in PayPal. So you log back into your PayPal account, click on Pay and Get Paid, click on Send Payment, and then click on Send. Now the email that you copied from the Butterfund platform, you put the same email over here and click on Next. Now you put in the same amount you also put on the platform over here. Make sure you changed the currency from whatever it is to US dollars. Click on Next. Now the reason we are being asked to link a debit card or a credit card or also link a bank account is because we don't have money in the PayPal wallet. Once you have money, it will be deducted automatically. So all you have to do is to come back to the Butterfund platform and click on Confirm Order, and then click on I have transferred. It takes 1 to 2 minutes for the money to reflect in your Momo account. You can upload a screenshot if you want, but it's not necessary. Once you are done, that is it. You just receive your money easily. If you've made it this far into the video, then congratulations. It means that you've been able to find a legit way to transfer your PayPal funds into your mobile money account. If you still haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly do so and give this video a thumbs up. You can also leave any concern you have in the comment section and I'll do well to address it. Now, if you want to make some cool cash, you can do so by reposting other people's content. If it's something that interests you, then watch the next video.